naman.
Ibigay kasi itong sing-sing na to.
Salamat naman.
Ito ay sing-sing ng ating friendship together. P.S. I love you.
My only love.
Dapat ka bang mahalin? At kung ano pa.
Sa hirap at ginawa.
Hirap ang ginawa. Pagtibag pintig ng puso.
And bakit ikaw ba rin ang tayong dalawa?
So, because of all these movies, gusto po namin parinig sa inyo. Actually, ako rin manonood ako doon sa likod. Kakantahin mo yung hindi. Sasabayan lang kita. Sasabayan lang kita.
But this is
Let's sing the song.
Saturday.
Yes, let's sing this song for everybody.
Yes, from the bottom of our hearts.
Ikaw na, dear.
Dear heart, ikaw raw ay batang bata at di mo kaya mag-isa.
Sabi din dito ng mga nanonood, kiss. Yung mga nanonood, kiss daw. Yung mga viewer, kiss, sabi din. Nagko-comment.
Kasi kanina nung binili ko to, meron ako nakilala doon, sabi niya, oh, I'm gonna watch your show tonight because you're happy.
Force of habit.
Sabi niya, sinasabi ko,
Sinasabi si Sisi.
I'll see you in Europe. Okay, so sabi niya, you know, my mom would like to watch your show. So, hindi ko lang alam kung nakarating sila ngayon, but, you know, yung mom daw niya nanonood ng mga
Oh,
show.
ako
So,
siya na
yeah, Maylin.
Maylin?
She said she has
Are you here?
overtime daw.
You know, my dad is nurse naman. Her name is Eileen Dahay. Dad is former nurse.
Okay.
She wasn't able to watch us in San Francisco, but her daughter, who became my nana, because she's like family to us, she came. She couldn't make it in San Francisco, but she came to Hawaii. Yeah, she came to you. I love you, Eileen.
Oh,
Thank you.
Eileen.
And you know, we have Sharonins that gave me my favorite malasadas and apple turnovers from Leonard's Bakery. I would live in Hawaii just for Leonard's. Oh, hindi nila lang si Leonard's Bakery yun, ha? Bakery yun. Ano ko hindi kayo malinaw yung mamaya may diskusyon.
Assuming. Hindi.
Assuming? Assuming?
Sino sila?
Kalbuhin ni
Sino sila?
Castro? Kapal!
Grabe.
O, away na tayo. Bakery? And,
Pero wala ka. Kasama ko si Malasadas kanina. Kasama ko si Malasadas. Tinikman ko ba si Malasadas kanina?
Sweet? Parang ka pala.
I'd like to thank Lonnie. Lonnie is here today.
Oh, Lonnie is
And she
here.
gave
She made it.
Malasadas.
Also?
Yes, she gave Malasadas. I'd like to thank Aleli Bustamante, who's here
Aleli,
tonight.
of course.
And of course, attorney Alex, who came with me all the way from the Philippines. Si Lily, my makeup artist, and Che, and si Arnil. Now, we have a lot of people to thank tonight.
Yes, tonight. Of course, first of all,
Yes.
Enteng the Dragon Productions. Kuya Enteng, thank you.
Enteng, are you here tonight?
Enteng from Brayton pa.
Yeah,
Early
Enteng.
this year we're together.
Okay.
Vic Perez, thank you. And Ann Torres.
Yes.
And Sam Ruban, thank you so much for bringing us
Vic.
here. Thank you.
And si Anne, thank you very much. Where's Anne? Are you here tonight? Para Anne! Grabe! Kung hindi dahil sa iyo, di ako makakarating dito because I have to ride a boat to get here.
Sandali.
Yeah,
Galing tayong Winnipeg. Paano mo ginawa niyo?
eh, kasi malamig sa Winnipeg, buti na lang may kayakap ako kaya umiyak. Winter tech daw doon.
Sino yun? Hindi ako yun.
Hindi, si Anne. Si Anne
Si
brought
Anne.
us here.
Okay.
And that's why
Very
we're all
good. Okay,
together.
okay.
And we are sharing the warmth with everybody here in Hawaii.
This one, I love Hawaii. I've always loved
Sino sa inyo mga Ilocano? Tayo.
Sinong Kapampangan? Mamangan tayo, mamaya. Pota. Wala, may kasantingan eh.
Alam mo ba, Lola ko?
Sakit ng
Lola ko,
bundukin.
Kaya we share something.
Masakit ang-
Yes, Lola ko.
Yung puso ko.
Mag-usap kami, okay.
Masakit na, Diyos ko.
Okay. Hindi, mag-usap.
Mamulit na ako.
Guling.
Ano ba sasabihin?
Ready? Okay, mag-usap tayo. Ready?
Ready.
Ating ko pong singsin.
Meron ng timpukan.
Malaki 18.
Meron kamalayan.
Ego akaban.
Ha?
Ego sa sililo. Kay may tumakas.
You're surprising me, ah.
May walay.
Yeah. Epo kamalayan. Aba? Yaba? Kung ako nag-Hawaiian, ikaw nagkapampangan.
Ibigay ko sa itong singsing.
Salamat naman.
Ito ay singsing ng ating friendship together. Kanina ko pasuot to, I would like to give this to you.
Is this for my For the monitoring my heart?
For our
Oh.
friendship. Yan, wala
We
pa.
have the same ring, but it will fit here.
So yun na yan. Oh, sige, yun na yan.
There, perfect.
I've been wearing that the whole night and I intended to give that to you.
You were not wearing touries. Binabola mo na naman.
Guys, I have been wearing this. Kung masusundan niyo lahat ng aming mga shows, I've
Is
been
this the one
wearing this the whole time. Who
That's
has
true.
been watching our shows?
You see it in the pictures. But isn't this supposed to monitor us? Huh?
It's to monitor your love for me.
No, we're just close now. This is how we are.
This is my friendship ring for you.
Thank you, friend. We're just friends. We made it.
Pipili ko lang. Pipili ko lang. Pipili ko lang.
No, we're just friends. We made
Pipili
it.
ko lang.
No, I just woke up one day. I was pregnant. Did not know what happened.
Friends in love.
Ang ginuluwi ang magbunas din.
Okay.
No, but what were you saying? I don't have a movie. I have a teleserye with Julia Montes, Miss Janice Tabel, a wonderful cast. It's called Saving Grace. It's based on the Japanese soap Mother, which was also remade by Korea, and we are the 9th country to remake this.
Mga kababayan, isang kilig-filled na gabi ang naganap sa Honolulu, Hawaii. Nang muling magtanghal sina Sharon Cuneta at Gabby Concepcion sa kanilang Dear Heart concert. Sa isa sa pinakahihintay na bahagi ng gabi, sabay nilang inawit ang kanilang iconic song na Dear Heart na nagdala ng matinding nostalgia at saya sa kanilang fans. Habang umaawit, nagkaroon ng isang tender moment na ikinabaliw ng audience. Spontaneously, kinuha ni Sharon ang isang panyo at pinunasan ng pawis sa mukha ni Gabby. Ang simpleng kilos na iyon ay nagdala ng sigawan at hiyawan mula sa mga tagahanga na lalong nagbigay diin sa kanilang natural na chemistry. Tila binalik nila ang audience sa panahon ng kanilang kasikatan bilang isa sa mga pinaka-iconic na love teams ng Philippine showbiz. Ang kanilang performance ay hindi lamang tungkol sa musika. Ito ay puno ng emosyon at sinseridad. Ramdam ng lahat ang kanilang connection na tila hindi kumukupas kahit ilang dekada na ang lumipas. Talagang isang magical na gabi ang hatid ng Shagab Love Team na muling pinatunayan kung bakit sila mahal na mahal ng kanilang mga tagahanga. Ang sandaling iyon ay hindi lamang isang kanta. Ito'y isang paalala ng pagmamahal at kilig na kanilang inihahatid noon at ngayon. Para sa mga fans na naroroon, ito'y isang alaala na dadalhin nila habang buhay. Tunay na di malilimutan ang gabing ito sa Honolulu.